Alright guys, check this out. These are Lay's that are Chinese. If you look, it says right here, flavors from China. So if you look here, this is chicken and tomato. This is really unique. But if you look at the ingredients, it has like a lot of stuff. So MSG being one of them. And it has soy protein, sucralose is in here, artificial flavors. But there you go. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. These are on sale, so we'll see what it tastes like. Alright, so here it is. Let's do a quick taste test. Here we go. You can, it smells like smells a little bit of a tomato. Let me try it out. Okay. It tastes like tomato. Literally tastes like tomato. Not so much the chicken. The chicken probably has a barbecue taste to it, but it's a sweet tomato taste. So definitely check it out, or not check it out because it's not that healthy. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, so definitely check it out. It's kind of tasty. It's got the sweet tomato taste. Yeah, it's all right. Okay, stay tuned for more videos, guys.